Mike Hughes here. I'm at Baja Diving and Water Sports LLC, whatever that means. And Oren, you want to tell us a little bit about some products that we haven't seen before?
Absolutely. So right now the product, it's really just flying off the shelf for us. It's called the Smart Stream Harness. You can see it right here. There's a lot of fun features about this one-size-fits-all backplate wing harness setup. You know, and the first thing here, I've got a model that's on the floor that will be...
Sorry, I went the wrong way.
No problem, that we can show you. So if we start at the back, you've got about 4 1-kilo weight pockets. That's 2.2 each, 8.8. Let's call it 9 pounds of non-ditchable trim weights in the back. You've got a steel back plate. It also comes in an aluminum version, as you can tell from these D-rings, which are out of aluminum. If you're looking for a lighter
or aluminium, wherever they're from.
Yeah, okay. There you go. And we've got our weight pockets right here. On the right side, you've got a 6-pound ditchable weight pocket. Excuse me, that's the left side. On my right side, you've got the same pocket with the new additional utility pocket placed right on top, sewn right together.
So no more. So you got your car keys.
That's right. You can get a little car keys right here. Spare mask in here if you decide to, you know, interchange masks for fashion. Now, the fun part about this also is that the D-ring traditionally has always been kept on the left side. On the right side, you didn't see as many D-rings, but people love having D-rings. So what you can do, all the hardware for this D-ring is also available in this pocket. You just take out your weight pocket right here. You take out this stiff O-ring right here. Hello, my good friend, and actually this is Robert Jablonski, who handles all OMS distribution in Poland, and there's no better expert on the OMS line than this gentleman right here.
But we're almost done.
Yeah, and we're almost done? Well, let me at least show you how to replace the D-ring.
Okay, start with it.
Card, yeah, I've got cards. I've got cards. You want a DUI one?
Yes, because they're from Chile and they want the rescue swimmer.
You got it. Oh boy, that's there is a so okay, Jared. Robert, darn it. Got his name wrong. So now with this, you just push this, and of course we're on a time frame, so it's gonna
it's not gonna work right away.
Yeah, but
you
push
turn it and
right
pull it out.
through. And this little piece and this little piece are available in this pocket, so you can easily add an additional D-ring on the right side.
On the outside there.
Absolutely.
Okay,
so we
cool.
get it right through here, and boom. There you go.
And if they want any more information about these products,
Please do. Go to divedui.com for OMS line and everything, and I hope to see you diving very soon in one of these harnesses.
Thank you.
Thank you.